Show. Parade. Side up. Parade. St. Xavier. Higher. Picture.
Wait a day.
Thank you.
Science is not just a subject in our books. It's a way of understanding the world around us, from the air we breathe every day and the technology we use every day.
It inspires us to think, explore, and create a bright future. On this special occasion, let us promise to develop scientific thinking, ask questions, and never stop learning.
With great respect and joy, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our beloved sister Rajni from St. Vincent High School. Sister, please.
Sister, please be seated. On behalf of our school, we respectfully welcome our Honorable Manjuman Ma'am from St. Mary's High School. respected Praniti ma'am, the teacher of St. Xavier High School.
St. Mary.
The manager of St. Xavier English Medium School. Thank you everyone. Please be seated. Science is everywhere, in the stars, in our labs and in dance. Today our talented students will bring science to life through their amazing performance. Let's cheer and welcome them on stage. beautiful dancers for their energetic and graceful performance. Now we feel honored to welcome our sister Rajni from St. Vincent High School to share her thoughts with us. Sister, please.
Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not desert it. Respected dear Father Balaswamy, OCD, the manager of the school, the principal, ma'am, dear students, and my dear teachers, very good morning to one and all. First of all, I wish you all National Science Day. We are very happy to be here in this school to join with you all for the celebration of National Science Day, and very happy to see your twinkling faces, dear students. Today, on February 28th, we gather to celebrate National Science Day, a day that marks a monumental milestone in the Indian science. It was on this very day in 1928 that the great Indian physicist Sir Raman discovered the Raman effect, a groundbreaking phenomenon in light scattering that earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. But why do we celebrate this day, National Science Day? It's not just about remembering a discovery. It is about celebrating the spirit of curiosity and scientific inquiry. Science is the backbone of modern civilization. From the electricity that lights our homes to the smartphones in our hands and the medicines that save lives, science has transformed human existence. Today serves as a reminder to cultivate a scientific temper, the ability to ask questions, to observe, to experiment things as they are. It reminds us that science is not limited to textbooks, but is a powerful tool to solve real-life problems and to address global challenges. As we celebrate this day, let us pay tribute to our scientists who have made our nation self-reliant and advanced in technology. I urge my fellow students to foster a spirit of curiosity, to ask why and how, and to use knowledge for the betterment of society and the progress of our nation. Dear students, let us promise to embrace science, innovation, and rational thinking. Thank you everyone, and especially I thank Father Balaswamy for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you one and all.
For your valuable words. Now I would like to invite our beloved Manjusha ma'am to share her thoughts with us. Ma'am, please.
Very good morning, children. What, you are tired, standing under the sun? No. So already sister has spoken what is the importance of today. Why do we celebrate National Science Day only on February 28th? What is the reason? Can anyone answer? Why do we celebrate National Science Day only on this day? We can celebrate on any other day. Why we are celebrating only on this particular day? Yeah? Answer. C.V. Raman? Birthday. Yes, she's correct. So, C.V. Raman, he discovered Raman effect on this day. So, we celebrate National Science Day on this day. We are telling C.V. Raman, C.V. Raman. Does anyone know what is the full form of C.V. Raman? C.V. Here already one boy is dressed up as C.V. Raman. What is the full form of C.V.? We are celebrating Science Day. We should be able to know small questions. Don't feel bad. I am asking you. Anyone will answer? C.V. Raman. Say. Say loudly once again. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Shall we clap for her? She tried little. Thank you. Thank you, Chile. So, it's really a privilege to be here today, and I thank Father Balaswamy for giving us this wonderful opportunity, and we are really honored to be here, and we are waiting to see the projects done by you, and I convey my best wishes to all the participants of today's science fair. Thank you.
Your words motivated us. Thank you, ma'am. We are pleased to welcome our talented student, Pupa of 9th class, who will share her thoughts on exciting world of science and technology. Let us listen carefully and encourage her with a big round of applause. Good morning, everyone. This is Subhashini of 9th standard. Today we celebrate the National Science Day, which marks the discovery of Raman effect by C.V. Raman. This day reminds us the importance of science in our daily lives. Science makes our life easy through technology, medicines, and new innovations. It helps us to think logically, solve problems, and understand the world around us. Let us develop science thinking and science use for progress of our nation and the welfare of the humanity. Thank you. Thank you, friend, for sharing your knowledge and confidence with us. A logo is the face of an idea, and today our 8th class students are here to present it to us for the very first time. For this, I invite Sister Rajni to come forward to unveil the science logo. Sister, please. We have with us a bright student, Sahasra, who will enlighten us with her speech on C.V. Raman, a scientist who discovers continue to inspire generations. Please welcome her warmly to the stage.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sahasra. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to share a few words about C.V. Raman. Science way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. C.V. Raman full name was a Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Ramana. C.V. Raman was a brilliant student from childhood. He studied Presidency College in Madras. He especially interested in physics and science. He was the first Indian scientist by receiving the Nobel Prize in Science Awards. In 1930, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics. Conclusion. C.V. Raman was a great Indian scientist. His discovery brought international recognition to India and inspired many students to study science. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Once again, thank you.
Your performance was inspiring. Thank you for your effort. It's a privilege to welcome our esteemed Reverend Father Balaswamy, the manager of St.Xavier English Medium High School, to share his thoughts with us. Father, please.
Good morning to everyone. Respected guests, teachers, parents, and my beloved students. I would like to speak about the importance of the Science Day in our school development. A school is not just a building with classrooms. It is a place where young minds are shaped, talents, and discovered the dreams of are built. Our goal is not only to teach lessons from books, but also to build good character and skills, discipline, and values in our studies. We are working to improve the quality of teaching and learning. We are encouraging teachers to use modern teaching methods and technologies in classrooms. Our aim is to help every student understand clearly and perform confidently. Education is not about marks. It encourages students to participate in sports, culture, science activities, and social activities. These activities help students build leadership and teamwork and confidence. Dear parents and teachers, your support is very important for the growth of our school. Together, teachers and parents can guide students towards success. Dear students, remember that you are the future of this institution. Work hard, respect your teachers, and follow the discipline. Your success is the true development of our school. Let us all work together to make our schools a center of excellence in discipline and values. Thank you, and all have a nice day.
Thank you for your valuable words and blessings. Today we have with us a bright student Navya of 9th standard who will enlighten us with her speech on Maths and its benefits, a subject that sharpens our minds and opens the door to knowledge. Please welcome her warmly. Good morning to everyone. I am Navya of class 9. Today I will feel proud to speak about National Maths Day. It is celebrated on 22nd December every year to honor the birth anniversary of the great Indian mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. His remarkable contribution to mathematics made India proud across the world. Mathematics play an important role in our daily life, from managing money and time in using mobile phones and computers. Maths is everywhere. It sharpens our minds, improves logical thinking, and helps us solve problems confidently. On this special day, let us promise to practice mathematics regularly and understand its beauties. Maths is not difficult. It becomes easy with interest and effort. Thank you. We appreciate your hard work and dedication. Thank you, friend. Attention everyone, it's time for a special moment, the big reveal. Our 9th class students will now present the logo for our science event. Let's welcome our father to inaugurate the science logo. stories are extraordinary as that of Srinivas Ramanujan. Today our brilliant student Gani will take us on a journey through his incredible mathematic genius. Let's welcome him with a round of applause.
Good morning to respected fathers, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Gani. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to share a few lines about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great mathematician in India. He was born on 22nd December 1887. His full name was Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan. He had an amazing talent for numbers and he discovered many mathematical theories. His birthday is celebrated as the National Mathematics Day in India. Thank you for giving me this opportunity once again. Thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful presentation about Srinivas Ramanujan. Numbers or experiments, formulas or discoveries. Today, two of our brilliant students will debate which subject is truly amazing, science or mathematics. Let's cheer them on as they come forward for this lively conversation.
Good morning everyone. I am Yashashni of 9th standard.
I'm Ketan of class 9. Hi Yashashwini, I think maths is the great subject. Without maths, nothing works properly.
Oh really? I think science is great. Science explains how the world works.
But science also use maths formulas, calculation, measurements, all need maths.
Yes, it's true. But maths without science has no real life experiments. Science makes learning particles are exciting.
Maths improves our thinking skills and problem solving power.
And science improves our knowledge about nature, technology, space of life.
I think maths is backbone.
And I think science is the heart.
Maybe both are like connected like best friends.
Yes, maths and science together make the world smart and better.
I agree, both subjects are great.
Yes, both are truly wonder and important.
Let us respect both subjects and learn them with interest. Thank you.
Thank you, dear friends, for your wonderful conversation on the greatness of maths and science. To conclude today's assembly, we are honored to invite our respected Vice Principal Shaheen Ma'am to give the vote of thanks. Please welcome.
Good morning everyone. On this special occasion of National Science Day, I feel greatly honored to propose the vote of thanks. First, I sincerely express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected chief guests for sparing their valuable time and inspiring us with their presence and encouraging words. Thank you, sister, and thank you, ma'ams. Next, I extend my express to our respected Father Balaswamy, the principal of St.Xavier English Medium School, for his continuous support and encouragement. Thank you so much, Father. My appreciation goes to all the teachers for their dedicated efforts and hard work in making this event successful. Thank you, dear teachers. I would like to thank our dear students for their enthusiastic participation and creative presentation. Thank you, dear stars. Last but not least, I am very thankful to have such great opportunity and happy National Science Day. Thank you. We truly appreciate your presence and your thoughtful vote of thanks, ma'am.
Thank you one and all for giving this grateful chance for us. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers. and the students, so you have performed very well. So our next program is that. So those who are brought the projects, so you can be there. Then we'll start the next program by our judges. All of you go to your classrooms, and the teachers will bring them, those who are participating in the project work, so to the pre-KG section. Okay, thank you. Teachers are there to judge the project, so now they are coming. Give them the clap. By clapping, welcome them. All of you stand up. All of you stand up. Give the clap, big hand, the clap. Okay. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Don't make noise. We are recording. Okay. All right.
Take the mic. Good morning. Say
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vasishta. I am studying in LKG. Today, my project work is pass a plant. Bud, flower, leaf, stem, roots. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Neha. I am studying in UKG. Today, my brother name is Animal Shelter. Tiger, den, cow, shed, ant, ant, spider, web, dog, kennel, duck, pond, hen, coop, bird, nest. Thank you. God is blessed. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishika. I'm studying in LKG. Today, my project work is body parts, sense organs, tongue, nose, eyes, ears, and skin. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nori. I am studying in UKG. Today, my project work is national symbols.
అదే ఒకసారి పట్టుకోరా పట్టుకో
The national animal is peacock. The national anthem is tricolor. The national flower is lotus. Our national tree is banyan tree. Our national fruit is mango. Our national game is hockey. Our national anthem is Vande Mataram. Jana Gana Mana. Our national symbol is is nut, animal is tiger. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hanshit. I am studying in UKG. Today, my project is animals and their babies. Cow, calf, dog, puppy, cat, kitten, lion, cub, sheep, lamb, piglet. Thank you.
Take it.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Srinivas. I am studying LKG. My project work is before and after numbers. One before number two.
After number. One after number two. Again, one after number two.
One after number two. One after number zero.
Two after number. Two after number.
Two after number three.
Three after number.
Three after number four.
After number.
Four after number five.
Five after number.
Six. Six after number seven. Seven after number eight. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pratik Shiva. Before after numbers. One before letter zero, one after letter two, number two, two before letter one, two after letter three, number three, two before letters, two before letter one, two after letter three, three before letter Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Divyasri. I am studying in UKG. Today, my project name is Grass with the Plant.
So the plant. Sure.
F-L-A-W-E-R flower, M-U-F leaf, S-T-M stem, R-O-T Thank you.
Show the numbers. Take the marbles. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jessica. I am studying in UKG. Today, my project work is
Additions.
Additions.
Take the three ball. Father, take three ball. Three. One. Count it. One.
1, 2, 3.
Plus. Take three. Take them. One.
1, 2, 3.
3 plus 3, 6.
3 plus 3 is equal 6. Thank you.
Here, here. Leave it. Come. Take the mic. Take it. Left hand. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahit. I am studying in LKG. This is the circle, example 1. This is the square, example test button. This is the rectangle, example book. This is a triangle, example samosa. This is a oval, example egg. Thank you.
With the mic. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is St.Xavier. I am studying in UKG.
Mic अच्छा से पकड़.
Saving trees. Oxygen. Paper. Shelter. Rain. Cotton. Medicine. Flowers. Vegetables. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dashwita. I am studying in LKG. Today, my project work is healthy food. Apple, banana, apple, mango, carrot, this corn, pineapple, watermelon, tomato, strawberry, burger, pizza, cool drink, chicken, cool drink, chips, milkshake, French fries, chicken, French fries, popcorn, Lays, cool drink, ice cream, cake, chocolate. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shishira. I am studying in first class. Today, my project work is traffic lights. There are 3 lights on traffic lights. There are red, yellow, and green lights. Red light says
Stop, stop, stop. Yellow light says, wait, wait, wait. Green light says, go, go, go. When you are driving, you used to follow the rules. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sahiti. I'm studying in first class. Today, my project work is solar energy. Solar energy comes from the sun. It gives us light and heat. We use solar panels to touch sunlight. It is clean and good for the earth. We can use it homes and schools. Solar energy does not make smoke. Solar energy helps us save money and not to. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Ritika. Today my project work is sand filter machine. A sand filter machine used to clean dirty water. It removes dust, mud and small impurities from water. Clean water comes out at the bottom of the filter. It is commonly used in homes. Swimming pool. It is commonly used in homes. Swimming pool. Sand filter are simple and easy to maintain. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vedi. I'm studying in first class. Today I'll talk about sources of food. Food comes from plants and animals. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, and grains. Animals give us milk, eggs, and meat. We also get honey from nature. Food is very important to keep us healthy and strong. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishi. I'm studying in first class. Today, my project work is before and after numbers. Before and after numbers represent a number position. Before is the small number immediate to the left side. After is the large number immediate to the right side. Before numbers. Three before two. 6 before 5. 9 before 8. 11 after numbers. 11 after 12. 20 after 21. 4 after 5. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ritika. I am studying in first class. Today, my project work is sense organs. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. Eyes, I can see. Nose, I can smell. Tongue, I can taste. Ears, I can. Ears, I can hear. Skin, I can feel. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shivani. I am studying in first class. Today, my project work is ascending and descending order. Ascending organs 1 to 5. Descending organs 5 to 1. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ramanujan. I am studying in first class. Today I am going to explain about my project money. Money is important in our daily life. Saving money is a good habit. It helps in hard time. Saving money as security. Money saved is money earned. Thank you. ₹1, ₹2, ₹5, ₹10, ₹20, ₹50, ₹100, ₹200, ₹500, ₹2,000. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Gayatri. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to explain about animals' homes. Dog lives in kennel. Sheep lives in pen. Horse lives in stable. Hen lives in coops. Cow lives in shed. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Preeti. I am studying in second class. Today my project is sources of water. We get water from rain, river, lake, pond, and sea. We use water from drinking, for bathing, cooking, cleaning dishes, for washing clothes, watering plants, for cleaning vegetables, fruits. Humans, plants, animals also need water. Water is most important. Don't waste water. Save water, save life. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Akib Khan. I am studying in third class. Today I explain about my project means of transport. Transport are the ways people and goods from move one place to another place. They can help us move on road quickly and easily. They can be by land, water, air and rail. Air transport are aeroplane, jet planes, helicopter. Water transport are ship and boats. Rail transport are trains. Land transport are car and bike, bicycles. Modern transport save energy and time. In daily life comfortable. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Once again, thank you. Good morning to one and all. My name is Ritvika. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to explain about my project heart. The heart is one of the most important organ in the human being because it is the organ which pumps blood to the lungs and to rest of the body. The organ is a four muscular organs to upper are called atria, to lower are called ventricles. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. Myself Sahasra from 5th standard. Today I am going to explain about my project. My project is brain. Human brain has the common center of the nervous system. The human brain has divided into three main parts. There are the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. The forebrain, largest part and handles thought, memory, and sensory input. The midbrain controls auditory and visual reflexes. The hindbrain, it includes the cerebellum and the brainstem. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity once again. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Noel. I am studying in 2nd class. Today I am going to about my project addition wheel. Addition is the number of two or moving numbers. 7 plus 3, 10. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 9, 13. 6 plus 5, 11. 9 plus 9, 18. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. 9 plus 9. 9. 5 plus 7, 8. 12. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 6, 13. 8 plus 6, 14. 9 plus 12. 7 plus 4, 11. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Akshit Nayak. I am studying in 2nd class. Today I am going to explain about project. The project name is Shapes. What is the rectangle? Triangle.
That is a circle.
Circle.
That is a
Square.
rectangle.
Rectangle. rectangle, rectangle, square, rectangle, square. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. Myself, Mayurakshi of third standard. Today, I am going to explain about my science project, the solar system. The solar system has 8 planets. The solar system is made up of sun, moon, stars, planets and other objects. The sun is at the center of the solar system. All planets move around the sun in space. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are some planets. Jupiter is the biggest two planets. Saturn has beautiful rings. Uranus is beautiful because it spins on its sides. The solar system is very vast and full of wonders. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ritvika. I am studying in third class. Today, I explain about my project. Family is a beautiful tree with lot of emotions and love. It is the backbone and support to the success in our life. This is my grandfather, this is my grandmother, this is my mummy, this is my aunt and uncle, this is my dad, this is my brother, this is me. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. Myself, Manashwini of third standard. Today, I am explaining about my project. My project name is Good Habits and Bad Habits. Good habits. Early to brush your teeth daily. Take a bath daily. Pray to God. Eat healthy food. Exercise daily. Go to school early. Bad habits. Sleep late. Forgetting to brush our teeth. Not washing our hands. Too much screen time. Fighting with our friends. Little around. Say no to bad habits. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashwan. I am studying in third class. Today I am going to explain about my project name is Parts of a Plant. There are roots, stem, bud, fruit, leaf, flowers. Plants are very important for environment. Plants give us oxygen. Some plants are big and small. Many plants give us medicine. Plants make their food with the help of sunlight. Thank you, giving me wonderful choice. Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. My name is Varun. I am studying in third class today. My project name is Weather. There are 8 seasons in a year. Rain, sunny, rainy, winter, partly cloudy, stormy, foggy, rainbow, cloudy. Sunny is very hot. We usually wear cotton clothes in summer. Rainy season brings clouds. The earth feels fresh and green. Winter is cold, so we wear warm clothes. Partly cloudy is warmer. Stormy is cool. Foggy is cold. Rainbow is cool. Cloudy, warm. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Kushwant. I am studying in third class. Today my project name is water dispenser. Water dispenser is a machine that provides drinking water. It gives us cool, hot and normal water. Water dispenser commonly used in schools, home and offices. It helps people to drink water. Some dispensers have cooling and heating system. They are simple to use. Regularly clean the dispenser high grades. Water dispensers sometimes provide comfortable. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Good morning to everyone. My name is Gagan from third class. My project work is about tables. Tables help us to do various calculations, maths, table uses for purpose, benefits, learning tips. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Uday Krishna. I am studying in third standard. Today my project name is measurement of capacity. The standard unit of capacity is liter. 1 liter 1000 milliliters. We use milliliters to measure the capacity of small containers, e-glasses or cups. We use the unit of liter to measure the capacity of large container. Thank you giving this wonderful opportunity. Good morning everyone. My name is Purvika. I am studying in third class. Today I am going to explain about my project clock. Time is very important in our life. It never stops for anything. Every second counts in life. Wasting time hurts in girls. Use it wisely every day. Time lost is never blocked. Time is very valuable than money. Thank you for giving this opportunity. This time is 1 o'clock. This time is 2 o'clock. This time is 11:51. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Sajan. I am studying in 4th class. Today my project work is volcano. A volcano is a mountain. It has an opening at the top. Some round ash also come out. Hot lava comes out of it. They are found on earth. Many volcanoes are the sea. Volcanoes are very hot. Volcanoes are dangerous. Volcanoes are active. I say volcano pictures in books. Thank you for giving me wonderful opportunity. Once again, thank you. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sana. I am studying in 4th class. Today, I am going to explain about my project Day and Night. Day and night happens because the earth on its axis, the earth takes 24 hours complete one rotation. The side facing the sun has a day. The side away from the sun has night. The sun does not move around the earth for day and night. Daytime is bright and warm. Nighttime is dark and cooler. Day and night happens every day. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rashmika. I am studying in 4th class. Today I am going to explain about seed germination. A seed grows into a plant. This process is called germination. A seed needs air, water, and warmth to grow. The seed coat breaks open. A small root comes out first. Then a tiny shoot grows upward. The root goes into the soil. The shoot grows towards the sun. The plant gets leaves and grows bigger. Germination is the first step in a plant life. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashwita Ritu. I am studying in 4th class. Today I am going to explain about types of angles. An angle is the figure formed by two rays with common starting point. Types of angles. Acute angle, an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. Right angle, an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, an angle that measures more than 90 degrees. Right angle, an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. Reflex angle, an angle that measures greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Complete angle, an angle that measures exactly 360 degrees. Adjacent angle, Angus with a common side and a common vertex. Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Akshita. I am studying in 4th class. Today I am going to explain about my project Roman numbers. Roman numbers are a separate way of writing numbers. Then there's letters like I, V, C, D and M. I stands for 1, V stands for 5 and X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Roman numbers are used to write dates, time and numbers. They are also used on clock, buildings and movements. Roman numbers are easy to read and write. They help us understand history and culture. Roman numbers are still used today in many ways. Learning Roman numbers is fun and useful. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Jason. I am studying in 4th class. Today I want to talk about something very important, our lungs. We have 2 lungs in our chest. They help us breathe air. When we breathe in, our lungs take in oxygen. When we breathe out, they push out carbon dioxide. Lungs are like a balloons. They fill up with air. When we breathe in and deflate, when we breathe out, we need to keep our lungs healthy by breathing clean air and exercising. Let's take care of our lungs healthy and happy. Thank you. Good morning, I am Ashok. Today my project work is layer of soil. There are 4 types: topsoil, subsoil, permeable and bedrock. Topsoil, the thin lies layer. The most medium for plants are found. Subsoil, made up of sand and clay. Permeable, mostly rock. Not many things live downhill. Bedrock, the last layer of soil, it is a solid rock layer. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Janit. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to explain about my project. My project name is welding machine. Joins metal, it fuses 2 metal pieces into one. High heat uses electricity to create intense heat. Melting point melts the metal. Melts the metal edges to join them. Solid wire. The metal cools to form a strong joint. Sealing uses gas to keep the weld clean. Versatile. Used for cars, buildings and arts. Safety first. Requires a mask to protect eyes. Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone. I am Arun, class of 5th. Good afternoon to everyone. I am Arun, class of 5th. Today my project is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting rainwater. We can collect rainwater from storage in tanks or ponds. It can be used for irri- it can be used for irrigation. It is an eco-friendly. It, rainwater harvesting is. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yash. I am studying in 5th standard. Today, tell about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third moon mission. It was landed by the India Space Research Organization. The machine was landed on 14th July 2023. It successfully landed on the moon on 23 August 2023. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. My name is Bhankad. I am studying in 5th class. Today my project is solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happened. A solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the sun and earth. It blocks sunlight. Solar eclipses occur only during the daytime. There are 3 types: total, partial and annular solar eclipse. People must use special glass to watch solar eclipse. This is my project. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. My name is Inaugural. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to tell about my project is lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The earth blocks the sunlight that falls on the moon. It happens only on a full moon night. During a lunar eclipse, the moon looks dark and reddish. The end color is called a blown moon. A total lunar eclipse can last for a few hours. It does not happen every month. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. My name is Ayan Pasha. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to explain about my project windmill. It has large blades that are rotate when the wind blows. Windmills are used to generate electricity and pump water. It is an important source of renewable energy. Windmills do not cause air pollution. Wind energy is free and eco-friendly. Windmills play a big role about producing clean energy. Windmills help save coal and oil. Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Gani. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to share a few lines about my project. My project is water cycle. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on above and below the Earth's surface. It is also called a hydraulical cycle. The sun is the main source of energy for the water cycle. When the sun heats rivers, lakes, oceans and seas, The water changes into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. The water vapor rises up into the air. As it goes higher, the air becomes cool. The water vapor cools and changes into tiny water droplets. This process is called condensation. These tiny droplets join together and form clouds. When the clouds becomes heavy, the water falls back to the earth. This falling of water is called precipitation. Thank you. When the water vapor cools and changes into tiny water droplets, that process is called condensation. Transpiration, don't know, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nihal Hemachandra. I am studying in 5th class. My project name is Volcano. Volcano is a mountain. It has opening at the top. Hot lava comes out of it. It has opening at the top. They are found on Earth. Volcano can be dangerous. I say volcano pictures in book. Thank you.
What is the liquid coming out of volcano?
Good afternoon to everyone.
What is the liquid we call? The liquid that coming out of the volcano. What we call that? పొగగా దాని పేరు పొగ రాదు లిక్విడ్ వస్తుంది దాని పేరు లాగా చెప్పాలి.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Nikita from 5th standard. Today I am going to explain about my project chocolate machine. Melting uses a heating element to turn salt blocks or butter into liquid. Tempering presses control temperature to stabilize cocoa butter crystals. Agitation future a rotating pedal or edger to keep the mixture smooth. Glass snap ensure the finish is chocolate shiny, breaks cleanly. Modeling pumps or pours the liquid into specific shapes and tries. Enrobing some machines are quota cookies or nuts. Continuous carton of chocolate. Cooling regular airfall to set the chocolate without heat streaks blooming. Efficiency automatic the tedious manual process or for faster consistent result. Thank you.
You want chocolate? Chocolate machine. You want chocolate? Where is chocolate? Oh, from this only we want. Take the chocolate. We want 5-star dairy. We don't want these chocolates.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Advika. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to explain about my project multiplications. Multiplication is one of the basic mathematical operation. The number to be multiplied is called multiplication. The number which multiplied the given number is called the multiplicator. The result of multiplication is called the product. Multiplicand into multiplier equal to product. 2 4s are 8. ones are 49. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Bhargav. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to say a few words about my project. My project name is Types of Fraction. Like fraction have same denominator but different numerator is called like fraction. Unlike fraction have different denominator is called unlike fraction. Proper fraction have proper fraction whose numerator is called whose Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Jason Paul. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am going to tell about my project, divisibility conditions. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last two digits is 0 to 468. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if its last digits is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are zeros or if the number formed by digits is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is last two digits is divisible by 6. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Abhayaz. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to explain about my project fractions. The numerator tops tell you how many parts you have. The denominator bottom tells you how many parts you make up a whole. The fractions bar. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ashwita. I am studying in 6th class. Today my project name is windmill. I will go to explain about windmill. Windmill is a machine that produced power. Windmill look like a bit like fans but are the larger and wider. Wind will work only when there is wind. The wind blows the blades of the turbine which are attached to the rotor and the spin the generator and to electricity create electricity. Once the electricity generation form of the windmill. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is N. Swaminathan. I am studying in 6th class. My project name is Earthquake Alarm. An earthquake alarm science project demonstrates two principles of vibration, dissertation to trigger an LLE warning system using simple circuitry was a LED battery and connecting materials. Now we can make earthquake alarm easily at home. The alarm helps us to be protect and warning our life from earthquake. We can easily go safe locations by alarm sounds. The earthquake alarm science project increase our interest in science. It also helps us to be science works. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sujit. I am studying in 6th class. Today my project name is Earth Laser Security Alarm. Security is the most important feature today. Technology developed by day. The criminal gang also improve their technology. In this project, we using laser light to cover large area. Any person or any object came to nearby laser light, the alarm will be rang. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Prem Kumar. I am studying in 6th class. Today my project name is area and perimeter. Area and perimeter are the two fundamental concepts in the geometry that are related to measurement of shapes. Perimeter. The perimeter is the total length of a boundary or outer edge of a shape. In simpler terms, it is the distance around the shape. It is measured in units. Formula of the perimeter: for the square is equal to 4 into side, for the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and for the equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into length of any side. Area. An area refers to the amount of space inside the shape. It is measured in square units. Formula of the area: for the square is equal to side into side, for the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and for the equilateral triangle is equal to side into side. Uses. Perimeter and area are very useful in everyday in life. They help us to measure land, buildings and materials. Uses of perimeter: farmers and homeowners measure the land to know how much fencing material is needed, and builders calculate the land to know how many bricks or boundaries walls required. Uses of area: to cover your floor with tiles or carpets, we calculate the area of the room, and painters calculate the area of the wall to know how much paint is needed. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sharon. Today I am going to explain about my project is measurement. Measurement is an important part of the mathematics to help us to find the length, breadth, capacity, time and area of different objects in our daily life. We use measurements while bringing vegetables, switching clothes and cooking food and traveling. Length is used to measure long and tall objects and the units are kilometers, centimeters, meters, millimeters. Capacity measure liquids and the units are liters, milliliters. Weight or mass is used to measure how heavy an object is and the units are kilograms. Time is used to measure duration and the units are hours, minutes, seconds. Thank you one and all giving this wonderful opportunity. Once again, thank you. 1000 grams.
Good afternoon. Sixth standard. Today I am going to explain about my Max Number Park. Max Number Park is a creative project with different banks. Operations are shown as follows. Each section explains concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Uh, Addition means join numbers together, find the total. Subtraction means arranging the numbers from. Multiplication means adding the same number again and again. Division means sharing equally. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Descending order means arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. His project helps us to understand basic operations in a fun and easy way. Thank you.
Science helps us to understand the nature. Good morning to everyone. I am Akanksha of class 7th. Today I am going to share a few words about my project. My project name is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is precious resource due to increase in demand from our ever-growing population. Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage run of rooftops. Rainwater harvesting can provide around 50% of a family's water needs. It helps recharge groundwater for uses like irrigation and drinking water. There are two main methods of rainwater harvesting. They are surface runoff collection and rooftop collection, where the roof acts as catchment to collect rainwater and funnel it into a storage system using pipes and filters. The storage system includes tanks, barrels, and recharge pits. Rainwater harvesting technologies are simple to install and operate. Local people can be easily trained to collect rainwater. In the state of Tamil Nadu, rainwater harvesting was made compulsory for every building to avoid groundwater depletion. Once I will show how is it work. Thank you everyone for giving wonderful chance to prove myself. Science is learning about the world around us. Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Karishma of 7th class. Now I am going to share a few words about my project. My project name is Automatic Street Light. Automatic Street Light is a simple yet powerful concept which uses transistor as a switch. By using this system, manual worker 100% removed, it automatically switches on the lights when the sunlight goes below the visible region of our eyes. How the project works: when light falls on the LDR, it shows its minimal resistant voltage drops across the LDR, so no current will flow from the collector to the emitter and the transistor will remain off. It automatically switches on the lights when the sunlight goes below the visible region of our eyes. The main components of this project are LED, LDR, resistor, transistor, PCB board and battery. The advantages of this project are: it saves a lot of energy, low cost, safety and security, and automatical operation. In upcoming days, this will be a huge help to the country because it saves a lot of energy of power plant that get eliminating on street light. As a conclusion, around 77% to 81% of electricity will be saved by using this system. Now I will show how it is work. Thank you.
Science turns ideas into discovery. Good morning to everyone. I am Dheeraj from 7th standard. Today I am going to explain about my project carbon purification. Carbon purification is the process of removing impurities and harmful gases from the air. Factory provides smoke or polluted air. Smoke travels to a chimney into the carbon absorber container filled with activated charcoal. The activated charcoal absorbs impurities and harmful gases from the air. Clean air then moves to the clean air pipe and exhausts through a funnel. Advantages of carbon purification: low cost and affordable, eco-friendly method, easy to use and maintain. Carbon purification is an effective method to remove impurities from air. Activated charcoal plays a major role to make our environment clean and safe. How the project works? Thank you.
Science makes life easier and better. Good afternoon to one and all. I am Balariti of 7th standard and I am going to explain my project Urban Flood Control. This project shows an urban flood controlling system with an alert. Rainfall is collected in an underground tank. When the tank becomes full, safety pins act as sensors. As soon as water touches both the pins, the circuit completes and the buzzer sounds. This alert warns the people that the tank is full and prevents urban flooding. So quick action can be taken to prevent urban flooding. It shows how great monitoring systems and alert systems can make cities safer and be better prepared for floods. Now I will show how it works. Thank you.
Max is everywhere in our daily life. Good afternoon to respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Prajal of 7th standard. Today, I am standing in front of you to explain the formulas that are related to algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression is a mathematical expression that is made up of variables. It means alphabets, constants, it means numbers, and arithmetic operations. It means additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. The main materials that are used to make this project are color papers, chart, thermocol sheet, nails, wires, HW batteries, LED lights, buzzers, etc. My project helps us to know the formulas that are related to algebraic expression in a fun and easy way. I'll show how it works. If we keep one electrode on a question and another electrode on the answer, the light will glow up and the buzzer will ring, otherwise not. Thank you for giving me such opportunity to prove myself.
Good afternoon to one and all. Myself Varshita of class 7th. Today I am going to explain about my project Geometrical City. A geometrical city creates match project when we design triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hut, cylinder. It helps to understand mathematics connect to our life in architecture. A triangle have 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. A rectangle have 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 right angles. A hut is cone shaped. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Tanush. I am studying in 7th class. Today I am going to explain about types of angles. There are 6 angles. Acute angle less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Right angle exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called right angle. Obtuse angle. Straight angle exactly 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Straight angle. Reflex angle greater than 180 but less than 360 degrees is called obtuse angle. Reflex angle. Complete angle. Exactly 360 degrees is called complete angle. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected judges and my dear teachers. I'm Akshay of 8th standard. Today I'm gonna present my project on an innovative agriculture working model. This model shows a modern farming method. This helps water to save water and produce water in an easy method. It demonstrates smart irrigation where water was supplied to plant in a controlled way. It reducing water waste and provides easy method. Working model. It is a working model in easy way. It helps farmer. It helps farmer. It helps farmer to to water a plant in an easy way. There are three sensors for this model: soil erosion, temperature, and humidity. So let me show how it works. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I'm Kathy of 8th standard and I'm from St. Xavier's English Medium School. Before I introduce my project, may I ask you a question, ma'am? Then, can you say, is all we are eating is healthy, hygiene and chemical-free products? No. And my project will answer to this question. In our daily life, agriculture is more important for us. Agriculture is the foundation of human survival. But modern chemical farming has led to soil degradation, water pollution, and also health problems to us. To ensure safe food for our future generations, we have to adapt sustainable methods like hydroponics and aeroponics, etc. A smart solution which provide more food, but while conserving natural resources. This combination is my project, Future Agriculture through Natural Farming, which gives us healthy, hygiene and chemical-free products. The first theme of my project is hydroponics. Hydroponics is a technique to grow plants without soil because everywhere we are using plastic and throwing it away. The plastic will not be biodegradable because that's why we are using water to grow the plants. The water, which is having more nutrients, helps the plants to grow very well, and the plants will be grow more than the soil. The working model for this, the water will be saved with this project, and the water which we are storing in this is very rich in nutrients. If we on the switch, the motor pulls the water up, and the water will be supplied to the roots. The roots will get sufficient water and also the sunlight, and they will grow faster and with more yield. Next, my second topic is aeroponics. Aeroponic farming is also a technique from hydroponic farming, which helps us without any water, soil, but with the mist of atmospheric mist. And it is very useful in winter season because we are having more mist in the winter season. That's why it is very useful for us. And the third topic, natural farming. What is natural farming? Natural farming is nothing but growing plants without any chemical fertilizers and pesticides. It helps us to be not fall in any diseases and nothing. So new agriculture trick we are doing, then nothing is there. In our daily life we are very busy with our works. We can't do any plantation work in our daily life. So this is the project which we can do in our daily life. Just I took the motor and the tank which is here, and the water motor pulls, and the water motor pulls the water to it, and the balloon which is having only 1 or 2 holes will drop the water drop by drop per second. It may get 1 or 2 bubbles, and the water will be the water will come out like this. So it is very useful to us because it saves so much water, and it may help to us with natural farming. And at last but not at least, animal farm is nothing but we are taking the animals and keeping in the farm, and we give so much food and shelter for it. Only they give us so many beneficial products like compost, natural compost, and milk. Milk is very useful in our daily life. It is cows and buffaloes are the major source in our India for milk. So for by milk we'll get 20 to 30,000 across per month in our daily life. So it is very beneficial, and its waste is used as natural compost in our planting purpose. So this model shows us that we should not use any chemical fertilizers or pesticides. It may harm our health. So use natural farming, reuse plastic, and don't use plastic. Thank you one and all for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.
Good afternoon, respected teachers, sisters, and father. I am Niharika of 8th class. Today I am going to explain about wastewater irrigation. Wastewater comes from homes, industries, and hospitals. It contains harmful impurities and germs. Wastewater treatment. Plants treats wastewater before releasing it. And primary treatment, screening, sedimentation, remove solids. Secondary treatment, bacteria. Organic waste using aeration. And at last, filtration, disinfection, clean wastewater. Treated water is safe for discharge or reuse. Sludge can be used as manure. It reduces pollution and conserves water. Wastewater treatment is essential waste for a waste healthy and environment. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Rani of 8th standard. Today I am going to explain about wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is a process of removing harmful substance from water produced in homes, hospitals, industries, and etc. It can contain dirt, chemicals, bacteria, and waste material that can cause pollution and disease. In this wastewater treatment, water passes through the different stages like screening of large objects and sedimentation to remove large particles, fertile to improve impurities,
After treatment, clean water supplies to the environment and agriculture. This wastewater treatment is used for environment, water pollution, and conserve water for future generation. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Once again, thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Chirantej of 8th standard. Today I am going to explain about my project hydroponic farming, cultivating of plants in water. It is the technique for growing plants without soil. The roots observed balanced natural dissolved in water. Some hydroponics grows get many times of great yields. With the smaller roots you can grow more plants in the same area and more yields. Thank you. Let us see working model. Thank you.
Good afternoon to you. Myself, Kijar Pasha from 8th standard. I am today explain about my project. Acid rain. This acid rain working model demonstrates how industrial pollution like NOx2 react with atmospheric water to change harmful acids precipitation. Burning of oil fuels reason SO2 and NO. It causes skin cancer and skin diseases. It can very deep in the lung cancer. Use of sulfur coal cleaning, burning of oil fuels, raising SO2 and NO. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I am Devaprasna from 8th standard. Today I am going to explain my project Pythagoras theorem. The theorem is named for a Greek philosopher Pythagoras born around 570 BC. The theorem has been proved for numerous times by different methods. The Pythagoras theorem demonstrates that in a right angle triangle, the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equals to the sum of the squares of the longest hypotenuse. The formula is a square plus b square is equals to c square. The right angle triangle is always equals to the 90 degrees. Thank you. నేను పట్టుకుంటాను. Good afternoon to all. I am Diksha of 8th standard. Today I am here to explain about my project, Road Overload Control System. Roads are designed to carry vehicles only up to a certain weight. When vehicles carry excess load, it causes serious damage to road, increase accidents and reduce road lifespan. The Road Overload Control System is used to detect, control and prevent road overloading. Working principle. This system works on the principle of weight. Sensors are fixed under the surface of the weight. The sensor measures the weight of the vehicle. If the vehicle is low weight, it will be allowed to go. If the vehicle is heavy weight, it will not allowed to go by producing sensor. Applications of this project: highways, toll gates, industrial areas and heavy vehicle zones. Components used in this project are buzzer, load sensor, control unit, power supply, display. Advantages of this project is to protect road from damage, to save government money, to control illegal overloading. The road overload control system is designed to protect road from damage. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Akshita. I am from 8th class. Today I explain about maths project on theorems. External angle. The external angle of a triangle is equals to square of its two opposite interior angles. Parallelogram theorem. A parallelogram is a four-sided figure where opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides and angles always equal. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. A square plus b square is equals to c square. A transversal is a line that cut two or more lines. If the lines are parallel, special angle relationship are formed. The perpendicular drop from the cut of a circle of a chord divide the chord into two equal parts. If a line is drawn parallel to two and sides of a triangle, it divides the other two figures perpendicular. If DE is parallel to BC in triangle ABC, then AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Ushasri of class 9. Today I am going to execute my model. My model is about Newton disc. Newton disc is a cardboard circle divided into 7 segments and painted with 7 rainbow colors. Scientific principles. The additive mixing of colors temples optical, showing that the white light composed with all the spiritual colors. Principles. Purpose: to visually prove that the combination of colors essentially reversing the all colors. Now I will show how it works. Now here we can see one white light forms. It was founded by Sir Isaac. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Once again, thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Yashashni of 9th standard. Today I am going to explain my project Trigonometrical Park. Trigonometrical Park is a fun model where different parts of a park explain trigonometrical concept like scenes, constants, identities and applications. It helps us to understand how angles and sides of a triangle are related. Trigonometry mainly deals with right angle triangles.
A peaceful morning to one and all. I am Prudvi of class 9th. Today I am very glad that you are presented here to listen about my project. My project is plasma gun. Plasma gun uses superheated ionized gas particles which are used in industrial, scientific and super specialized medical purposes rather than being a conventional weapon. These key uses include coating materials through plasma spraying and cutting and welding, gas waste and gasification in specialized devices like non-surgical dermatological skin treatment. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good morning to one and all. I am Hari of 9th standard. My project name is automatic tap water. Automatic tap water is a tap required with an approximate sensors and mechanisms that uses follow water to hand in presence of sensors. Automatic tap is required with IR sensors and release modules. Advantages of this project is the children's is safer, no water waste. Advantages. Conclusion. I can say about this technology can take a issue of today's world. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Once again, thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Nathan of 9th standard. Today is my project is periodic table. The periodic table consists of all 118 elements with their atomic number. Elements is in same column has similar chemical properties. Elements contain 7 horizontal rows and 18 vertical columns are present. Why we have classified the periodic table is to study many element easily to group similarly together to understand the properties of elements, to understand Dabarnil mostly Newland is consist of periodic table with their classified periodic table with their atomic weights, but due to some reasons it failed. HJ mostly consist of periodic table with their atomic number. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Once again, thank you. The periodic table consists of 118 elements. 118. 18 gases. Thank you, teacher.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Vachit, I am from 9th class. Today I am going to explain about my max game. If you can interested, you can participate this game. This is the mouse and cheese game. Before the mouse get hit, mouse will eat. 2 to 4 players are play at a time. The player can start the game only when the dice of the number 1 or 6 the reach the box all the solve the questions and go front, and not solve questions means again get back and start again. Thank you. Play teacher. Ready. 1. If you want me to hear question now, teacher. Sister, you can solve means you again. I will give a dice and you again draw.
Close the dice again. I have to solve.
You can play. You can play, teacher. Play, sister.
I will not solve any problem.
Start. Done. Sides in the triangle. How many, sister?
3.
3. Again you dice take and again draw.
You are asking me questions.
Questions solved means the game will finish.
Till there we can't go now. Time is not sufficient now.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is Shreya from 9th standard. Today I am going to explain about my project futuristic transportation. A futuristic transport system is a modal transportation. Modern designed to make travel faster, safer, eco-friendly and technology based. It focuses on reducing traffic pollution, travel time, by using advanced science and technology science. Aim of the project are reduce traffic congestion, decrease air pollution, save fuel and energy, provide faster and comfortable travel. Futuristic transport system are the future of smart cities. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Devan. I'm studying in UKG. Today, my project work is most of the body parts: head, eyes, ears, teeth, tongue, hand, feet, lips, nose. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vedi. I am studying in first class. Today I'll talk about sources of food. Food comes from plants and animals. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, and grains. Animals give us milk, eggs, and meat. We also get honey from nature. Food is very important to keep us healthy and strong. Thank you.
Next, Japar, this side. Japar.
Say winged trees. Say winged trees. Oxygen. Paper. Shelter. Rain. Carbon. Medicine. Flowers. Vegetables. Thank you.
What is your name?
Studying in UKG.
Thank you, one and all.
Thank you.
పిల్లలు ఆ పిక్చర్స్ అందరూ కూడా
సార్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు
ఎవరు
The class. Today I am going to explain about science project wastewater irrigation. Wastewater comes from homes, industries and hospital. It contains harmful impurities and germs. Wastewater treatment, plants, trees, wastewater purify, releasing it, working process. Primary 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 treatment, screening sedimentation, remove solids, and secondary treatment is a bacteria. Before organic waste using
water. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
జడ్జెస్ చెప్తారు కదా ఇది ఒకసారి.
Good afternoon, children. Please be silent for 1 minute. Please be silent for 1 minute. సో మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అన్ని మీకు నచ్చాయా? మీరు అందరు బాగా చేశారు అనుకుంటున్నారా? Yes, you have done really a very good job. Let's give a big round of applause to ourselves. Loudly. Thank you. మీరు ప్రైజ్ రాలేదని ఫీల్ అవ్వద్దు, ఎందుకంటే అరే ఇనఫ్ ప్రైజెస్ కొంతమందికి ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి మీరు ఏం ఫీల్ అవ్వద్దు. ప్రతి ప్రాజెక్ట్ కూడా మీరు చాలా బాగా చేశారు. అండ్ వీల్ అప్రిషియేట్ ఎల్కేజీ అండ్ యూకేజీ చిల్డ్రన్. మీరు అందరు కలిసి ఒక్కసారి వాళ్ళకి గట్టిగా క్లాప్స్ ఇద్దామా? వాళ్ళు చాలా చిన్న వాళ్ళైనా సరే వాళ్ళ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ బాగా చేశారు. దీనికోసం హెల్ప్ చేసిన ప్రతి పేరెంట్కి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we thank you and we appreciate and we congratulate our dear teachers who work hard. Shall we give them a big round of applause to our teachers? Thank you, teachers, for your hard work and your hard work. Today we can see what is your hard work. And first of all, we appreciate for last but not least Father Balaswamy, Principal of St.Xavier High School, for organizing such a great science event. Thank you, Father. And as judges today, thank you for inviting us and we are honored to have here today. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, children. All projects are very good and innovative. I'm very honored to be a judge here. And even pre-primary, we are very happy that they have explained very well. So once again, hearty congratulations to all the participants, teachers and parents. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. You accepted our invitation and you came here and you judged all the projects. So really, from the bottom of our heart, I really thank you, teachers. Thank you. Children, how are you? So you have done good job. So you work hard and you shows the final result your project. So I am very happy because you believed my words and you brought all the project and you explained very well. Behind this, your hard work is there and your parents and mostly teachers are guided you. So your talents are expressed and this is the nice chance for you to develop your skills. So once again, I thank everyone, those who participate and behind this, those who work hard and brought this evening or this day successful. Thank you one and all. Thank you. Okay. Now parents will come. Those parents, when they come, just to explain it. Some are there out.